Hello students, today we discuss instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor unit increment instructions. In 8085 instruction slide INR, first instruction we discuss INR R. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, what happen? The content of general purpose register specified in instruction is incremented by 1, and that incremented result is stored that same register whatever you have specified in instruction. Addressing mode for this instruction is register, length for this instruction is 1 byte, group for this instruction is arithmetical, and except carry flag all other flags are affected. What I can say, except carry flag, that is carry flag does not be affected. It is no set or no reset, but other flags are affected. Example INRB. Here we see one example. Suppose I will be take B is equal to 87H, instruction INRB, then before execution content of B is 87, but after execution the content is 88H. See here, practically what I execute here, what is content of B? The content of B in example I take here 87H, then INRB execute this instruction. Firstly, whenever this type of instruction, firstly I execute MUIB. Here you look here, B is equal to 87H, that is before execution content of B is 87H. Then I give instructions such as INRB, then I execute the same. Then here we seen that B is equal to 88H, and flags are affected, that sign is equal to 1, 0 is equal to 0, auxiliary carry flag is equal to 0, and parity is equal to 0. Carry flag does not be affected, that is except carry flag all flags are affected here. Then after discussing INR instruction, next instruction we discuss INR YUM. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, then what happen? The content of YUM register, which is addressed by HL, is incremented by 1, and that incremented result is stored in same HL memory location. Addressing mode for this instruction is register indirect. Why it is register indirect? Because YUM register is as one operand specified within instruction, and length for this instruction is 1 byte. Why it is 1 byte? Because no 8-bit data and 16-bit data is used, and group for this instruction is arithmetical. Except carry flag, all flags are affected here. Example such as INR YUM. Here in example I take whenever YUM is equal to 8FH and INR YUM is executed, then before execution content of YUM is 8FH, and after execution of this instruction YUM is equal to 90H. How it is? See practically. I execute the same with practically. Here before execution I take YUM value and execute same. Then what is content of YUM? Here I will be taken 8FH. In example 8FH is taken. I execute same. Here I will be seen that YUM is equal to 8FH. See here. Then I execute instruction INR M. Then after execution, content of M is incremented, that is here I will be seeing that M is equal to 90H. Here in example also M is equal to 90H, and flags are affected except carry. All flags are affected here, such as sign is equal to 1, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry is equal to 1, parity is equal to 1. But our carry flag does not be affected, that is except carry all flags are affected here. After discussion of this INR M instruction, we discuss next instruction INX RP. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, what happen? The register pair which is defined in instruction, that address of register pair is incremented by 1, and that incremented address stored into same register pair. Addressing mode for this instruction is register indirect. Length for this register, why it is register? Because the register pair address is incremented separately, that is whenever I used a BC register pair, then B separately increment and C separately increment. So its addressing mode is register. Length for this instruction is 1 byte, and group for this instruction is arithmetical, and flag, no flags are affected. This is important point. This is only one instruction in arithmetical group which does not affected the flag. Then example INXH, here I will be take one example. BC is equal to 8F 99H. Then INX B is executed. Then after execution, BC pair, that is B in B register 8FH is seen, and in C register 9A. After execution, C is equal to F9H is seen. How it is? See practically. For BC initialization, LXI B, I will be initialized as 8F and 99H. See here. Then I will be execute the same concept practically. Then look here, B in B register 8FH, in C register 99H, and after instruction INX B, what happen? See here, in this location we see that B is equal to 8FH, C is equal to 9AH, and there is no flags are affected, that is cannot flag is affected, all flags are resetted. So we will stop here. Thank you.